So this video will instruct you how to make the template 5 mini flower using the provided center. So you're going to cut the 3 petals as instructed on the instruction document with the sizes listed. And we're going to take a larger dowel rod and we're going to roll the petals up. So place the dowel rod down in the middle of the petal, thumb on top, index finger underneath, pinch it up and roll it. So you want a thicker one. So this is pretty thick. It's probably like 3/8 of an inch. And if you don't get all the way across the petal, just come in from the opposite side and roll it up. Okay? Because it is a wider petal. So this is a quick and fun flower, and I use this on the unicorn inspired flower, the large one. So now we're going to take our flower shaping mat. So it's a soft foam mat. We're going to lay them out, and the first one we're going to leave flat because we're not sure where we're going to use it for, so we need it more flat to adhere to the surface. So take your metal ball stylus, and what this does is it lifts the petals up off the table. So you're just going to roll around the circle, and you can see the petals just lift up. So the first one, I don't roll as much because you're layering the petal. And as it comes in, I want them to be standing up more. So add some hot glue to the back. So I use the AdTech Precision Pro Glue Gun just because it has a smaller nozzle. So take your first layer, look for a petal and place it in between. So try and stand directly over top and get it right in the middle there. Now I'm not directly over top, so. And then I just stir the center. We're going to add the glue again to the center. I rotate it usually. Look for a petal and place it in between the previous layer's petals. And then I just stir the center with the metal ball stylus. So this is the center that comes with it. It almost looks like paint splattered. Be super cute on a large petal too. So you can size it to whatever size you need, or if you're a hand cutter, it comes with multiple sizes. All the way up to, I believe, 6 inches wide. And you just add some glue, roll the center, and place it in the center there. I love it in the white and the black. Or I did one with gold. Super pretty as well. So whatever your choice is. And that's the template 5 mini flower.